Yo guys, I found a brand new method to get Lucky Patcher on all iOS devices and all iOS versions, guys. This is super easy to do. Literally anybody can do it on any version of iOS or Android. It's super simple. No computer is required for this at all. You can do this straight off your phone just using your browser, guys. I highly recommend you guys hop on this right now while it's still working. And this works on iOS 26, iOS 18, and even the upcoming iOS 27, guys. You don't need to worry about that at all. It's highly compatible. It works like a charm. And yeah, basically with the guys, you can do whatever you guys want to your games. You can patch your games exactly how you want to. Yeah, you can basically do whatever you guys want. Like, as you guys can see, you can create modified file, guys, remove Google ads. Like, honestly, it has so many cool patches for whatever games or whatever apps you guys are going to be using, guys. So yeah, this is the only working method on how to install Lucky Patcher on iOS or iPhone or iPad, guys. Especially one that actually works for all versions and devices, no computer required or jailbreak or anything like that. Okay, guys, so let's get into it. Let me show you guys how to set up this Lucky Patcher app on your iPhone or iPad right now. Okay, so the first thing you guys want to do is to get this set up is you want to just so first thing we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna pop over to our browser, and here's the icon. By the way, I don't know if you guys have seen this in a while. I mean, this app hasn't been around for quite a while and hasn't been working for quite a while, but we finally found a method to get it, and you won't get any revokes with this at all, guys. You don't need a side load. Like I said, with my method, we can get it straight off on our phones using just our browsers. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop open our browser, guys. We're gonna head on over to here. Okay, so just get this typed in, guys, and there you go. So just get that typed in, guys. So that's where we're gonna get it. I hope you guys can see it. And you want to just hit that go button. Now, once you hit the go button, you want to search for Lucky, so there it is, Lucky Patcher, right there, guys, and you want to just tap on that. So there it is, get Lucky Patcher for all iOS and Android devices, guys. And yeah, so to get it, all you do is you just tap on here, guys, and you hit that start button. Okay, so just hit start installation. Once you hit that start button, it's going to start building you a personalized app tailored to your device based on your device's version and specs and all that. Now, once that bar is finished, it's going to take you straight to the setup wizard. Once you're at the setup wizard, you want to basically just do exactly what each individual app's instructions say to do. And basically, when you do when you get the apps and do exactly what their instructions say to do, it initiates a file transfer straight to your device for all the files for that Lucky Patcher app. Okay, within a few minutes of doing all the instructions properly, the app will load with all the features working. If it doesn't load within a few minutes, you did something wrong. You need to go back, do more of the apps, and do exactly what their instructions say to do. Okay, I recommend just doing all of the apps from the start, guys, so you don't need to keep going back and doing it over again, and you will be good to go. Okay, so that's how to get Lucky Patcher on iOS, iPhone, iPad, on the latest versions of iOS, guys, with no computer or anything like that, and modify your APKs, hack games, make hack APKs customized and everything, guys, in 2026. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you guys out. See you in the next one.